Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD, Euro dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a Forex sentiment meter where we get to know about the position of the retail traders like you and traders like me. And as we all know, the market usually moves against the sentiment meter. So let's find out where the retail traders are trading. So here is our beloved euro dollar, euro USD, and as you can see that right now at this moment only 36% retail traders are on the short side and 63% retail traders have taken long position. They are on the buy side and the average selling price is 1.0309 and the average buy position is 1.0583. And as we all know, that market is right now, euro dollar, euro USD is right now stuck in the middle. So both the buyers and sellers might be scratching their head and just thinking that in which direction euro USD will be moving. Okay, so let's find out. So here is DXY. Okay, as I always discuss about DXY first, but today I do not want to complicate the scenario because DXY's chart is also not much clear. Right now we can just see that DXY is going right now trading in a downward channel here, but if we move to the higher time frame, then we can see that DXY is still under correction only. Still we cannot consider that we have a complete trend reversal on DXY, and more or less it looks like a wedge pattern, and after some squeeze I think that there is a possibility that we may see an upside on DXY again. I do not want to discuss further because it will just complicate the things and I prefer to keep things simple. So let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. So these are the levels for us after the market opening. Okay, after the market opening, if Euro USD starts coming down again, okay, then the first important level or the first support will be 1.0210 to 1.0200. This is the first support for Euro USD here. Why? Because you can see that we have previous price rejection from below, and moreover we will also be having the 200 moving average here. And if I add the Fibonacci retracement level, then you can see that we also have the 38.2% retracement level here as well. So overall, if we combine all the factors here, then yes, after the market opening, because on Monday mornings during the first half of Monday we do not see much craziness, pagalpanti in the market. So yes, under normal volatility in the market, there is a high chance of euro dollar, euro USD taking support around this level and bouncing from here. If it bounces, definitely you can take a buy position with proper risk management only. Okay, but in case market breaks it, then also do not take any sell position immediately, because the next support for the market will be around 1.0 wait, let me write again. 1.0160. This is the next immediate support for Euro USD if market breaks it. So my dear friends, on the chart of Euro USD, these two levels deserve attention. Okay, I think that if the same scenario continues next week also, definitely you will be getting a good trading opportunity, good buying opportunity around these two levels. Okay. And I was reading an article on FX3. I saw that a few experts have the opinion that Euro USD will be touching the 1.0000 level again. I don't know what will happen, but this is the strategy that you can follow for Monday. And on the other hand, if market goes up again, the previous resistance will be very important. If you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you made good money, because we were we were expecting that market would reverse from here, and as per our expectation, market did reverse. So this time again we are expecting that market will be reversing from this level, forming a triple top. Why we are considering this? Because we can see that overall the market looks choppy. Market is forming higher highs. Okay, market is trying to form higher highs, but we cannot deny the fact that overall the chart of Euro USD is kind of bearish, very much bearish. Okay, this is just the choppy market, sideways market, and yes, there is a high chance, still there is a high chance that by Monday, Tuesday, if market goes up again, market will witness some profit booking again around the previous highs, 1.0350 to 1.0360. around this level market will face some selling pressure again. If you see that market has reached the level, and if you see that market is struggling to cross the resistance, price is being rejected from above, a shooting star kind of a pattern, or a bearish engulfing pattern, you get a confirmation that yes, market is about to form a triple top, and you can go ahead with a sell position. Okay, so these are the important levels on the chart of Euro USD according to my analysis. If you think that I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. So bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday, and please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, isn't it? No trader is 100% accurate, so trade with proper knowledge. Bye bye, take care.